So in the previous video, we had conducted some diagnostic testing. We looked at specifically numerical diagnostics, variance inflation factors. We saw that we had some issues with two variables that were above the generally accepted range of 1 through 10. We saw that age and experience were at 12. We also conducted a Durbin-Watson test for independence of errors, and we saw that we were within the normal range for autocorrelation. And so we also conducted a couple of other diagnostic tests. We asked for an observation statistics to data, and that gave us several variables that we then looked at when we clicked on view data, such as Cook's distance, um, the fitted values, and residuals. And for the Cook's distance, what we're interested in is actually coming over here and assisting our interpretation of Cook's distance, because Cook's distance, usually anything between 1 and 3 according to field, would be within the normal range. And so if we click on an index plot and we select Cook's distance and then click on OK, what this is going to do for us, it will highlight cases that may be problematic. So 135 and 5 may be outliers. These guys might actually be 3 standard deviations away from the mean, potentially. And so there is an issue with some cases within the data. The next thing that we like to do is we'd like to continue aiding our interpretation of or our diagnostics of the data to make a decision whether this is a valid model or not by using graphs. So if we come over here and we click on basic diagnostic plots, we're going to get 4 graphs that appear. Um, when we were looking at Cook's distance just now, this is Cook's distance, and we have our standardized residuals, and we can see that we have -2, 0, and 2, and we have these guys, case 155, 135, and 50, which might be, if you notice, they are beyond 2 standard deviations from the mean, which are easily considered to be outliers. When we look at the QQ plots, we can see, and we can actually ask for a better version of a QQ plot by clicking on graphs and residual quantile comparison, and simply click on automatically, and then click on OK and